Hello everyone, I'm DeadlykillerUK here, and this is a new channel. It's going to be based around airsoft, so you'll see all things airsoft on the channel. We're going to start things off, as you can see here, with a few mystery box unboxings from Extreme Airsoft in the UK. So the first one here is £30. As you can see, I've already cut it open just to save time, and I'm holding the camera, so it's just easier if I already opened it. So this is £30, just to give you an idea of what something similar or what you would get in a £30 box. I've already taken the bubble wrap out as well, in case you're wondering. So this is a £30 box. As you can see, Mark 5 thunder flashes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Put them over there. That's 5 thunder flashes. And let's say twin vent would be red. Burst fire smoke grenade, green wire pull smoke grenade, yellow wire pull smoke grenade, and a normal white wire pull smoke grenade, a pink wire pull smoke grenade, and the lids come off this one. This is orange, and not too sure. I imagine a black smoke grenade. I don't know. And finally, we've got 3 wire pull flash grenades, 3.0s. One there. So I will add the prices on the video, so you can see what the price of each item is, and then you will know exactly how much it all adds up to, and see that what value for money you're getting out of the £30 box from Extreme Airsoft. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.